Understanding suede care. To soap or not to soap?
Hello and welcome. Today we're delving into a very common, yet often misunderstood topic, cleaning suede shoes. Specifically, we're answering the question, will cleaning suede shoes with soap and water damage the material? This is an important issue, as suede is a very delicate material that can easily be ruined if not properly cared for.
What is suede?
Suede is a type of leather with a napped finish. It's loved for its softness, pliability, and elegant appearance. However, its delicate nature means it's more prone to damage and staining than other materials. Hence, special attention is required when cleaning suede.
Can you clean suede shoes with soap and water?
Here's the answer you've been waiting for. Generally, using soap and water on suede shoes can potentially cause damage. Suede is highly sensitive to water, which can alter its texture and color. If you apply water unevenly or excessively, you may end up with water stains, discoloration, or a hardened texture once the suede dries.
How should you clean suede shoes?
Now, you might be wondering, how should you clean suede shoes? The best way to maintain your suede shoes is through preventative care, using a protective spray designed for suede, avoiding wearing them in bad weather, and brushing them regularly with a suede brush to maintain the nap and remove minor dirt and stains. For tougher stains that cannot be removed by brushing, there are specific suede cleaners available on the market. These are specially formulated to safely clean suede without causing damage. Always follow the product instructions when using these. In conclusion, while it might be tempting to reach for soap and water when your suede shoes need a clean, it's best to avoid doing so to prevent potential damage. Remember, suede requires specific care, and using products specifically designed for suede is your safest bet. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding suede shoe care, and thank you for watching.